Welcome to the Brew tutorials. Follow along as we show you how to make the ultimate brew using our instant coffee. Step 1. Boil up some filtered water. Step 2. Add 4 grams or roughly 1 heaped teaspoon into your cup. Step 3. For an espresso, pour 40 grams of boiling water over the instant coffee, then stir with your spoon to make an espresso-like shot. Step 4. For a long black, pour the boiling water until your mug is near full, or approximately 200 ml. For a milky brew, top with your choice of milk to your desired amount. Step 5. For you iced coffee lovers, pour 40 grams of boiling water to dissolve the instant coffee. Top up with some cold water or milk of your choice and top with some ice. Step 6. There's nothing else to do but enjoy your delicious brew.